Autoimmune conditions are rising, especially in women. But most people don't realize there's a deep connection between your hormones and your immune system. And at the center of it all, your hypothalamus. Let's talk about why that matters and what you can do to protect your health. Your immune system and your endocrine or hormonal system don't work in isolation. They're constantly communicating. And the hypothalamus is the bridge between them. It's the part of your brain that interprets stress, regulates hormones, and influences your immune response. So when your hypothalamus is under stress from trauma, toxins, poor sleep, or chronic inflammation, it can trigger a cascade that affects both systems. Here's what that looks like in real life. You feel like you're constantly fighting off colds or infections. You have unexplained inflammation, pain, or fatigue. Lab work says everything's normal, but you feel off. Or maybe you've just been diagnosed with an autoimmune condition and no one's connecting the hormonal dots. Here's why this connection matters. Hormones like cortisol, estrogen, thyroid hormone, and insulin all play key roles in immune regulation. If they're out of balance, the immune system becomes confused. It can start attacking healthy tissue or becomes hyperreactive to minor threats. And it's not just about one hormone, it's about the orchestration of them all led by the hypothalamus. Here are a few ways to begin healing this hormone immune loop. Reduce stress on the system, especially through the HPA axis. Chronic stress keeps the immune system in a state of alert. When you support your hypothalamus and adrenals, you help calm the inflammation response. Number 2, restore hormonal rhythm. Irregular cycles, poor sleep, and blood sugar swings disrupt immune regulation. Rhythm brings safety, and safety brings healing. Number 3, nourish your body with targeted support. Your immune system needs nutrients to function, but your hormones also need consistent nourishment, especially as you age. When you care for your hypothalamus, you support both systems at once, and that's where the magic happens. If you're living with inflammation, autoimmunity, or just you know that something is off in your body, don't overlook the hormone immune connection. I walk you through how to restore it, starting with your hypothalamus in my free hormone reboot training. This is the upstream work that makes everything else more effective. You can find the link below this video, and I'd be honored to guide you through it.